All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Newsmaker Scarab. From the outside in between runners, Marcus Wolf moving up by the rail is My Little Grace. Newsmaker, Marcus Wolf, Scarab, My Little Grace. Glass Cockpit is racing in fifth and running in sixth position, Super Elegant. And on the outside, Jupiter Thunder Ice Palace racing in eighth position, this time taking the seventh position. Core Duo down on the inside, Flying Hope. Entry number 2, Simple Beauty. And entry number 5, El Bimbo. And rounding the far turn, Marcus Wolf Scarab on his favorite position from the outside by the Newsmaker. Ice Palace on the outside as they race the final corner. Marcus Wolf Scarab on the outside, Newsmaker down on the inside fighting back. Marcus Wolf, Newsmaker, Jupiter Thunder, Scarab on his favorite position on the outside. It's Marcus Wolf, Scarab on the outside. And finally, it's going to be close between Scarab and Marcus Wolf, Jupiter Thunder, Newsmaker, and Corduo.
Okay, close for first between entry 6A Scarab at yung numero 5 G's na Marcus Wolf. Okay, mukhang kailangan natin na slow-mo dun, ha? Okay, estimated sa daily double kung 4-6, 15, kung 4-10, dihado yan, 294. Anyway, slow-mo, nasa bandang loob yung G's na Marcus Wolf. Sa labas, favorite position yan, 6A Scarab. Okay. Okay. Hintayin natin kung meron tayong photo for first pull dito. Okay, daily double sales 532,340. Okay, pairings natin.